to find the unbeatable hope, to bear the unbearable sorrow, and to run where the brave do not go, to right your right and wrong, to love you and chase from afar, to cry when your arms are too weary, to read your invisible sign. This is my quest to follow the star, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far, to fight for the right without question or pause, to be willing to march into hell for a heavenly cause. And I know if I only be true to this glorious world, that my heart will like peaceful and calm when I lay to my rest. Would be better for this that one man torn and covered with scars, still strong with his last ounce of progress, to reach the unreachable,